So today I'm going to be talking to you about DVD, dissociated vertical deviation, and normally this is a strabismus thing for children, so it's a pediatric ophthalmology thing, a peds opto thing, but dissociated vertical deviation sometimes comes to neuro-op and the adult form. So the way I use DVD is helpful to me to make the diagnosis that the strabismus is congenital, because this cannot occur on an acquired adult basis. And so what it means is dissociated vertical deviation is a deviation that's vertical, but it doesn't follow Herrings Law. So Herrings Law is the law of equal innervation, and normally when we have a hypertropia, so let's just say we have a left hypertropia, the eye is up, and we're going to do the cover-uncover test to find this left hypertropia. So if we cover the right eye and the left eye is hypertropic, you'll see a downward movement of the eye because it was hypertropic. And likewise, if we cover the left eye and the right eye was hypotropic, the right eye will go up. This is because under Herrings Law, the two eyes are associated. That is the normal. So a left hypertropia is the same thing as a right hypotropia, because one eye is high and one eye is low. And so if you force the higher eye to fixate by pushing this eye down, by Herrings Law, the other eye will go lower. And when you do the cover test on the other eye, the reverse will happen. The normal cover test, because the eyes are associated vertically. However, in a DVD, if you cover this eye, the left eye, it'll just drift up and nothing will happen in this eye because it's dissociated. And that is a very interesting phenomenon that only occurs in congenital strabismus. Now, the reason for this to occur is controversial and not known. However, it's thought to be derived from a primitive writing reflex in fish. So you got this fish with their eyes are on the side of the head like this. And here's Dory. And when you shine a light, the sun, the fish will tilt like this to align with the light. However, if you tie the fish up, can't let it rotate, and you do this light thing, then the eyes will get a DVD. This primitive light reflex, the writing reflex in the fish, aligned with the sun, so a fish has to know where it's swimming, is thought to be the basis for the DVD in children who have congenital strabismus. And you can read more about that at your leisure, but it's a fascinating concept. DVD.